Need help adding money to your SmarTrip card with your Topps debit card? No problem. We'll guide you through the process with these 6 simple steps. Step 1. When you arrive at the entrance of the Metro Rail, go to the SmarTrip vending machine that will add money for either a blue SmarTrip card for regular fares or a yellow SmarTrip card for seniors. Step 2. Place your SmarTrip card on the circular icon and follow the prompts. Step 3. Insert your Topps debit card for payment. Step 4. Press the plus and minus buttons to select the value to add to your card. Step 5. Tap your SmarTrip card on the circular icon and your card will be charged. Step 6. Tap your card again to check your updated balance. Now you're good to go ride the Metro. You may register your SmarTrip card online or through the SmarTrip app in case you misplace it and it needs to be canceled. If you do lose your SmarTrip card, call or email WMATA to cancel your card and request a new one. WMATA will transfer your balance to a new card. Please note, this can only be done if you have registered your card online or through the app. We hope this video was beneficial. Enjoy your ride and travel safely.